Welcome to Fundamentals of Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, a video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Mark Thomas and I'll be the presenter for this course. By the end of this course, you'll get acquainted with the important elements of machine learning. Giuseppe Bonacorso is a machine learning and big data consultant with more than 12 years of experience. He has an M.Eng in electronics engineering and further postgraduate specialization. During his career, he's covered different IT roles in several business contexts, including public administration, military, utilities, healthcare, diagnostics, and advertising. He's developed and managed products using many technologies, including Java, Python, Hadoop, Spark, Theano, and TensorFlow. His main interests are artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and philosophy of mind. Machine learning applications are everywhere, from self-driving cars, spam detection, document search and trading strategies, to speech recognition. Machine learning is a topic that's becoming more and more important, not only for IT professionals and analysts, but also for those scientists and engineers who want to exploit the enormous power of techniques such as predictive analysis, classification, clustering, and natural language processing. This makes machine learning well suited to the present-day era of big data and data science. The main challenge is how to transform data into actionable knowledge. In this course, you'll learn all the important machine learning algorithms that are commonly used in the field of data science, classification, or regression, based on your problem. The first section is an introductory section where important concepts are covered. The next section, feature selection and feature engineering, describes the most important techniques used to pre-process a dataset. The third and fourth section deals with the concept of linear and logistic regression. Post that, in the fifth section, we explain the Bayes probability theory and describe the structure of the most diffused naive Bayes classifiers. The next section, Support Vector Machines, focuses both on linear and non-linear classification problems. The section, Decision Trees and Ensemble Learning, explains the concept of a hierarchical decision process and describes the concepts of decision tree classification. The eighth section introduces the concept of clustering. The section Hierarchical Clustering continues the explanation started in the previous section and introduces the concept of agglomerative clustering. The final section is an introduction to recommendation systems and explains the most diffused algorithms employed in recommender systems. All practical examples are written in Python and use the Scikit-learn machine learning framework. These are available for Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows, with Python 2.7 and 3.3+. So let's begin this wonderful journey together, and I hope to see you there.